Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. How are you? And I hope you are all okay. And today in this video, we are going to learn about querying with SQL. And in this video, I am going to cover about what are logical operators, comparison operators, and how all these operators are used in the SQL to get the results, and what are like command, between command, and order by command and distinct command. I'm going to cover all of this in this video. So stay till the end, and let's start the video. Okay, this video is divided into three parts, and all the three parts will gonna be in this video only. So let's start with the part one. These are all only small parts, and I have divided it to make you understand easily. So first of all, let's start with what are operators. And in this part one, we are going to learn about operators, logical operators, comparison operators, and string operations using these operators and wildcard characters. So let's start. What is querying? So in applications like Amazon and Flipkart, the data is fetched by making wide range of queries, like getting products from Amazon and the user ride history in Uber. So to get all of this history and products, and we use SQL querying between the RDBMS and the server. So the server gives an SQL query to the RDBMS, and the RDBMS interacts with the database and gets the data and gives it to the server, and the server gives it to the client. This is how the SQL query acts as an intermediate for getting the data from database. So, SQL provides various operations to perform and wide range of queries. Like there are different types of operations like less than operator, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and or not, like, and all this we are going to cover in this video. So let's start with comparison operators. What are comparison operators? Comparison operators or operators which combine two values is equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, like, where these brackets, these double brackets is represents not equal to, where we are going to learn in further in this video, and also between. So syntax for using the operator. So select star from table name, where column, operator, and value. And here in this operator place, we use less than, greater than, or equal to, less than or equal to, any operator we want. So here first we need to give column name, and next the value. So for example, let's I have already created a table with name, products, and with different types of brands, category, rating, and price. So let's start querying this products table. So let's use this syntax. Uh, Select star asterisk is used to select all the products. So select star from products, where rating greater than or equal to 4. See, let's run this SQL query. See, this where rating greater than or equal to has retrieved all the rows whose rating is greater than or equal to 4.5. You can see here, Redmi's rating is 4, OnePlus rating is 4.5. So in this way, we can use the comparison operators, and also we can use the less than operator to get the products whose rating is less than 4. So The products with rating less than 4 are denim jeans, Levi, and jockey jeans. So let's run this skill. See, we have got the exact output, and we can also to get use a string operator. We can also use a string operator. Uh, category category is equal to, so to get to we are using a string, so we need to write it in the double quotes. Category mobile. See the output. The category with the rows with category mobile has been retrieved. So string operations. When operating on strings, we might need to follow a specific pattern, like videos whose title contains artificial intelligence and whose title is avatar, whose title is Kalki, like that. So for these operations, we use like operator. Like operator is used to perform queries on strings and retrieves all the rows that match in the given pattern. Here, the syntax for like operator is select star from table name where column like pattern. Let's see what are the common patterns. Here, let's first understand what is a percentile. We write patterns using following wildcard patterns. So there are two types of wildcard patterns. First one is a percentile pattern and underscore pattern. So let's see what is a percentile pattern represents zero or more characters. From if we use percentile, the from the percentile the zero or more characters. Pattern like shed percentile, if you use shed, percentile matches all the strings which have sheds at the beginning followed by zero or more characters. For example, it selects sheds and sheds with checks. And the common patterns are to for exact match we use to get an exact match. The pattern is genes to which starts with we use genes percentile and ends with we use percentile genes, and to get an exact contains this string contains in this string, we will use a percentile genes percentile. This is how we use percentile wildcard pattern. So and let's learn about underscore, which represents exactly one character. So shed and underscore means it represents exactly only one character, and it selects only sheds. And if we have sheds sized means, then it will not select, it will only select after the shed only one character. Querying with SQL part 2. In this part 2 we are going to learn about logical operators and or not and its precedence, which operators has the highest precedence, like and has highest precedence, not or not has highest precedence. So and we also use multiple operators like and or not combined. So let's start with AND operator. The AND operator retrieves rows which satisfy both conditions, condition 1 and condition 2. The AND operator retrieves all the rows which satisfy at least one condition of the given condition. Not operator is used to negate a condition in the where clause. So not means select the rows which does not satisfy the condition, and the not operator selects the rows which does not satisfy the condition. See, let's see the syntax for logical operators. Select star from table name where condition 1 and condition 2, and to retrieve the rows, these two conditions need to be satisfied. This is how AND operator works. Let's see, understand the AND operator where category is equal to clothing and rating greater than 3.8, greater than or equal to 3.8. So for this query, it retrieves category is clothing and rating is greater than 3.8. So the denim jeans will not be retrieved. So coming to Levi, Levi brand is clothing. Okay, condition one is satisfied and rating is greater than or equal to 3.8. So condition two also satisfied and Levi will be retrieved. And jockey jeans, in this jockey jeans, the category is clothing. Okay, condition one is satisfied and rating is greater than or equal to 3.8. So it is 3.9 and these two brands will be retrieved. Let's run this. See, this is how AND operator works. Now let's see how OR operator works. Here, category is equal to clothing or rating greater than 4. So, category clothing rating greater than 4. Any any of the condition is satisfied if category is equal to clothing. Yes, true. It will be satisfied. So, let's take rating is greater than 5. Rating is greater than 5. There is no rating which is greater than 5. So, in this all operator, one condition is satisfied. So, all the clothing brands will be retrieved. See, this is how OR operator works. So, let's see how NOT operator works. How NOT operator works. So, NOT operator works in a way that it selects the rows which does not satisfy the condition. If the rating is greater than 5, no, the rating in this table is not greater than 5. So all the brands will be retrieved. This is how NOT operator works. So let's use multiple operators, multiple logical operators. So for using the multiple logical operators to find all the products which belongs to uh, Redmi brand and rating for above or OnePlus brand. So let's write this program where brand is equal to Redmi and rating greater than or equal to 4. Give a bracket here or iPhone. See here brand is equal to Redmi and rating greater than 4. So two conditions are satisfied. Then this row has been retrieved or brand is equal to iPhone because there is no iPhone here, brand iPhone here. So only one condition is satisfied and we have used OR. So this condition would be executed. So precedence. The first precedence is the highest precedence is not, and the second highest precedence is and the last precedence is or. So coming to querying with SQL part 3. In this part 3, we are going to learn about in operator, between operator, and group by operator and the distinct operator. And let's see how these operators works. So we use in operator which retrieves rows where values are given values. So syntax or select star from table name where column name in values, list of values. So for example, select star from product where brand in Puma, Levi, Nike and Denim. These brands all will be retrieved. Let's execute it in the compiler. Products where we need to give column name, category in values. So mobile, comma, clothing. Let's see the categories of mobiles and clothing has been retrieved. Let's use only mobile. It retrieves only mobile categories. See, this is how in operator is used. In operator is used to, like if we use the or operator, we will write it in a long form, like where brand is equal to Puma or brand is equal to Levi or brand is equal to Nike. So to minimize the code and to easily understand, we use in operator and we write the values in between the brackets and between operator. Between operator is used to retrieve all the rows where values of C1 lies between V1 and V2, value 1 and value 2, where syntax or select star from table name where C1 between value 1 and value 2. So let's run this in the compiler where rating between 3.5 and 4.5. Let's take 4. See, all the ratings of the brands from 3.5 to 4 has been retrieved. If we give 4.5, if we give here 4 and here 4.5, and it will retrieve Redmi and OnePlus because their rating are 4 and 4.5. This is how we use between operator. So order by command. Order by command is very useful in SQL, and it is used to order rows. If we use order by command on strings, it gives the query result in an alphabetical order. If we use order by command on integer, it gives in ascending or descending order. Ascending means smallest to highest, largest, and descending means largest to smallest. So we write ascending as ASC and descending as DESC. So let's see the syntax for group by command. Select star from table name, order by C1 ASC, which is C1 is column 1 and ASC is ascending order. So star where, sorry, select star from products and order by rating ascending, smallest to highest. See, 3.5, 3.8, 3.9, 4, 4.5. This is how we use order by to order in ascending. So let's see in descending, DESC, descending. See 4.5, 4, 3.9, 3.8, 3.5. We can use it in on the strings also where brand ASC. So it will be the query, the output will be in an ascending order of the alphabets A, B, C, D, like that. So, what is pagination? So, there are millions of products on Amazon, but we only see a chunk of the data, and we use limit and offset commands to select a chunk of results. So, limit clause is used to specify the number of rows, and offset clause is used to specify the position from where the columns to be selected, and rows are selected from offset plus 1 and limits plus offset. So syntax for limit and offset is select star from table name limit L offset 0 O. Like we can use limit for integer, we can in the place of L we can use 10, 12, etc. and offset 0, which means if you use 0 it will start from 1. If you use 1, if it will start from 2. This is how the offset works. So let's order by AAC and limit only three products, offset is 0. See, only three products has been retrieved. If we give four products, it will retrieve four products. See, if we give the offset from 1, it will start from 2. It starts from Jockey Jeans, Livy and 1 plus. See, we have given offset as 1 and it started from denim jeans. If you give offset as 2, it starts from 1 plus. That is how offset works. So distinct. We can retrieve only unique values using distinct clause. The syntax for distinct is select distinct C1 from table name. Here we don't have any similar. Okay, let's select distinct column name category from products. See, here we have mobile two times and clothing three times. So it has retrieved only one time. So this is how distinct command is used. It filters out the extra names, integers from the table and gives only one integer or one string. This is all about today, and I hope this video is informative to you, and I hope you have learned a lot from this video. And if you want more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.